Hi guys, this is Mr. Gore, and I wanted to show you the procedures that we're going to use in design technology this year to give you feedback on the assessments that you submit for each stage in the design cycle. As you can see, I have an example here. I've created Google Docs for each one of my students, and yours will actually be titled DT Assessment Feedback underscore your name. And as you can see, I have the name for the first unit of the year. This is an example from 8th grade, with the rubric for the first criterion. Now, instead of doing this all on a Word doc that I have to upload into email and send to you through Zimbra, and then you have to download it, what I'm going to do is just use a Google Doc, which will be shared with you, and I can mark the rubric as I read through your summative assessment. I'll mark the rubric according to the bands that it best corresponds to, and at the bottom here you can see I've left an area for teacher comments. And as I always do, I'll provide you with a paragraph of comments about the work that you did and suggest improvements. But the difference for this year is that once I provide these comments to you, I'm going to expect you to come down here and leave your response in blue. And what I would like for you to do here is to respond by taking in my feedback to you and talking about some of the ways that you can use that feedback to make improvements for next time, okay? And once you have commented, kind of written a little bit of a reflection about the work you did and talked about how you can improve according to the comments that I gave to you, as well as your own knowledge of your work, only then will I go back in and give you an assessment level and then post it in PowerSchool. So for you to be able to get your assessment level, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, you have to fill out this part of the student comments with a reflection and some recommendations for improvement. Now, of course, I have your number grade here in my grade book, but I will not release it to you until I get those comments, okay? And that way, hopefully, we'll be able to better facilitate communication between the two of us. It'll encourage you to reflect about the work that you've done, but also make progress in the future. And I think by using this Google Doc, we will be able to have a better way to kind of chart the progress that you're making throughout the semester. Okay? So this is how we're going to run things. If you have any questions, please post them on the comment box in Facebook. All right?